Did you know parsley was once a symbol of victory and remembrance in ancient Greece, not just a garnish? Greeks crowned athletes with it and decorated tombs long before it touched a potato salad. Romans believed it could ward off intoxication, and by the Middle Ages, it was a staple in monastery gardens. But why is it on your plate today? Centuries ago, parsley doubled as a breath freshener. Its chlorophyll neutralized strong food odors. That sprig isn't just for show, it's the original after-dinner mint. Over time, parsley's versatility and flavor moved it from the plate's edge to the heart of European cuisine. Yet we still treat it as an afterthought. It's time to see parsley for what it is, a culinary multi-tool with a rich history. Next time you see it, give it some respect. Parsley is more than a garnish. It's a key player with a story worth knowing. Let's unlock the secrets hiding in plain sight. This humble herb deserves a place in the spotlight. Let's move parsley from garnish to greatness. Parsley, or Petroselinum crispum, hails from the Mediterranean, think Italy, Algeria, Tunisia. Its name means rock celery, hinting at its wild, rugged origins and its family ties to carrots and dill. Romans spread parsley across Europe, and Charlemagne even ordered it grown in all imperial gardens. By the 1600s, parsley crossed the Atlantic, thriving in the Americas and becoming a global staple. Today, it's grown worldwide, from California to France. Parsley is a biennial year 1, lush leaves, year 2, it bolts and flowers. For the best flavor, harvest early and often. Its journey from wild herb to kitchen essential is a testament to its adaptability. From ancient hillsides to your table, parsley's story is one of survival and flavor. This is a plant with deep roots, literally and culturally. In the produce aisle, you face a choice: curly or flat leaf parsley. Curly parsley is the classic garnish, crisp, decorative and sturdy. Flat leaf or Italian parsley has broad, tender leaves and a more robust, less bitter flavor. Chefs prefer flat leaf for its taste and ease of chopping. It blends seamlessly into dishes. Curly parsley shines for visual flair and holds up well as a garnish. Flat leaf is your go-to for salads, sauces and anything needing a fresh, herbaceous punch. Texture matters. Curly can be tough raw, but great when fried. Flat leaf melds into recipes. Can't decide? Keep both on hand. Curly for looks, flat leaf for flavor. Knowing the difference unlocks parsley's full potential in your kitchen. Choose wisely and let each type play its part. Parsley isn't just green fluff, it's a versatile ingredient. Use it right and it transforms your cooking. Parsley isn't just for looks. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Half a cup packs over 500% of your daily vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. It's loaded with vitamin C, boosting your immune system and helping your skin stay healthy. Parsley's antioxidants, especially apigenin, fight inflammation and protect your cells. It's also rich in vitamin A, folate, iron and potassium. And don't forget, parsley's chlorophyll freshens breath after a garlicky meal. Adding parsley to your diet is like hiring a team of tiny janitors for your body. It's preventative maintenance, deliciously disguised. This humble herb supports your bones, immunity, and even your social life. Next time you see parsley, remember it's working overtime for your health. Don't toss it, eat it. Parsley is small but mighty. So you've got parsley. Now what? Raw, it's the star of tabbouleh and gremolata, adding brightness to salads, meats and veggies. Sprinkle chopped parsley over soups, stews or pasta for a fresh finish. Cooked, it mellows and deepens. Perfect in stocks, sauces and chimichurri. Add whole sprigs to broths or chopped leaves to meatloaf for a flavor boost. To keep parsley fresh, trim the stems, place in water, cover loosely and refrigerate. Treat it like a bouquet. It'll last up to 2 weeks. Too much parsley? Chop and freeze it in ice cube trays with oil or water for easy use later. Dried parsley loses flavor, so stick to fresh or frozen. Parsley's versatility makes it a kitchen essential. It's not just a garnish, it's a flavor hero. Use it boldly, store it smartly and let it shine. Parsley, the herb that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary.